I believe life is about stories. The stories we tell ourselves and the stories we write. It doesn't matter where you started. What matters is what you do with the opportunity in front of you.
In an ecosystem where it constantly exposed me to what's possible and eliminated any doubt that it wasn't available to me. If you can't do it, it can be done.
I think when you get really clear and committed on your goal, it's like your North Star. How you show up, why you show up, when you show up, the message you give when you show up, it's gotta be consistent.
The version of me that came up with any goal that I've looked to achieve never accomplished it. The later version accomplished it. So for anybody that's in a spot you don't necessarily want to be or that you didn't sign up for, it's gonna be okay. You are never as far away as you think you are.
If I wouldn't have failed as much as I failed, I would have zero value to provide to anyone in my life. You have to find comfort in doing what other people are not willing to do.
Your 100% is not enough. You need to understand what does it take to get the job done and have the resilience to do whatever it takes.
Leadership is not about being in charge. It's about being responsible. It's about choosing growth when comfort calls, and it's about getting up one more time that you get knocked back down. And you're wondering if this can work for you. It can. Only if you stop playing it safe and start playing to win.
I'm not original. I just know how to be a relentless student. And like, what's the magic sauce? I'm like, I don't have a magic sauce. I just have a burning desire to come through for my people.
It takes courage to say out loud to the people you know what you're going to do when you have no track record of being able to do that. It is impossible to have any semblance of long-term success if you have a back door.
People believe that hardship builds character, when in reality, hardship reveals character. Have good values, don't take shortcuts. Take control of yourself, your emotions, how hard you're willing to work, and your dedication to executing the system.
The best part of this journey is the person that it requires you to become. You must change, you must challenge yourself, you must think differently. And if you do that and you make all the changes necessary, an amazing life can be yours.
All organizations have goals. Bold organizations have big goals. Big goals don't come easy. Big goals don't come fast. And I just want you guys to know, if you could see it, you could achieve it, especially because we're all here to do it together.
Then I want you all to think, what's your story? Is it going to be a story about playing it safe? Going to be a story about betting on yourself? Taking the shot, even when you're scared? Pushing past what's comfortable to build something that actually matters? And I want you to write a story that makes you proud, like in your guts makes you proud. I want you to remember something. It's your story. You're the one holding the pen.